Hello friends. In this video I am going to teach you how to make a deposit in the BDSwiss ERC20 broker. You click on deposit and in this section you select your account. If it is in this section, you select the desired amount. And if you want to enter another amount, click on this option. You enter the amount and click on Continue. In the next step, you select the desired network, plus the desired currency, which we chose ERC20, and you determine the website rules with Texton. Click on this option. You scan the specified barcode with your wallet. And after completing these steps with your wallet and confirming this transaction, friends, to check the status of your transactions, click on Transactions and also on History. As you can see, $22 in ERC20 has been deposited into our account. Good luck.